I'm a student in University of Liverpool, and I will talk about my final year project. This is the Victoria Gallery and Museum. In addition to the items on display, there are many in store. There contains various collections from the science and clinical departments. My project is about the microscope slides collection in the museum. All of them are from the late 19th centuries and the early 20th centuries. In the beginning, let me give you a brief introduction about microscopy. In 1665, Robert Hooke wrote the earliest book on microscopy named Microscopy by using a compound microscope. In 1674, Antoine van Leeuwenhoek improved on a simple microscope for viewing biological specimens. In 1931, Maxnon and East Rosca invented the first electron microscope. Let's do three comparisons to see the changes on microscopy. The first one, 20th century slides on the old microscope and 20th century slides on the modern microscope. It is a comparison between different microscopes with the same slides. This is what we can see on the old microscope. We can understand the structure easy. But if you want to see more details, it is impossible. The situation was entirely different under the modern microscope. Obviously, it has higher resolution and magnification and more details. The second one, the published photo of 20th century slides and 20th century slides on the modern microscope. This figure is from a paper published in 1914, and this is a picture I've taken from the same section in a kidney made around 1910. For an accurate comparison, the color was removed. Obviously, this one is more clear to observe, but still can't get more information. The last one, late 19th century slide taken by modern microscope, and the pictures published in recent time. Here is glomerulus in liver. There are many layers, one on top of another, so it is impossible to gain information inside the glomerulus. But this one is clear to understand the structure of it inside and distinguish each cell apart from another. This comparison has the most difference than two in the previous. Above all, I think at first, you must have your slides in thin sections. Then, high resolution and magnification can help you to get your result. The traditional light microscopes does have changed, but not too much. The reason is the limitation of the resolution. Light makes the images in optical microscopy, so the diffraction of light limits the resolution. The limitation is 250 nanometer, but this problem can be overcome by nanoscopy nowadays. It is the first method to break the limitation of resolution in light microscopy. Thank you for watching.